Hey folks, let's talk about how to post a YouTube video into a Canvas discussion. First things first, if you've uploaded a video to YouTube that's shorter than 1 minute and it's filmed in vertical orientation, YouTube is going to make it a short, which is really annoying because you can't embed those into Canvas. So to make it a regular YouTube video, what you'll need to do is simply go to the URL in your web browser, and where it says shorts, delete that and replace it with the word watch. And as soon as you do that, it's going to convert it into a normal YouTube video with no problems whatsoever. So next, once you've done that, or alternatively, if you've got a regular YouTube video to begin with, you're going to want to select the share option and then select embed. Once you've done that, hit copy. You don't need to worry about starting the video at a specific time. But once you've copied it, then you can go to your Canvas discussion. There's a couple ways that you can do this, but the easiest by far is to click on the little cloud icon, which is the embed HTML icon. Note that if your screen is rather narrow, that might be hidden by default. You may need to click on these 3 dots in order to reveal the embed button. Once you've clicked on that, simply paste the embed code that you copied from YouTube, then hit submit. Then your video should be embedded into your post. Hit post reply, and you're done. That's it.